Welcome to Hilarious English 101, where learning English is like making a sandwich, sometimes messy, occasionally confusing, but always worth it. Are you tired of staring at a blank page, wondering if there or there is the right one? Do you secretly fear writing because your grammar makes Google Translate cry? Well, don't worry. Today, we're tackling how to start writing in English without losing your sanity. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to write like a pro, or at least like someone who doesn't panic when asked to write an email. So grab a pen, a keyboard, or even a napkin, and let's dive into the wonderful world of English writing. Step 1. Conquering the basics, the alphabet and sentence structure. 1.1. Master the English alphabet. Yes, again. Before writing full sentences, let's make sure you actually know the 26 letters of the English alphabet. You might think, duh, I already know A to Z. But here's the twist. English pronunciation is weird, and so is spelling. For example, cough, through, and though. Why do they all sound different? Silent letters in night, right, and gnome. Why are they there? Practice tips. Use alphabet tracing apps like ABC Kids. Write each letter and say its sound aloud. Learn phonics rules to avoid spelling disasters. 1.2 Sentence structure, the building blocks of writing. A sentence needs 3 things. 1. A subject, who or what the sentence is about. 2. A verb, an action or state of being. 3. A complete thought, so it actually makes sense. Examples. Good sentence. The cat sleeps on the bed. Bad sentence. Sleeping cat. What about it? Where? Why? Who knows? Beginner writing exercise. Write 5 simple sentences using I plus action, e.g. I eat pizza. He, she action, e.g. she likes music. Step 2, expanding sentences from baby step to big steps. 2.1, use and, but, because to connect ideas. Want to sound smarter? Connect your sentences. Short sentence, I like tea. I like coffee. Better sentence, I like tea and coffee. Short sentence, I wanted to go out, it was raining. Better sentence, I wanted to go out, but it was raining. Practice tip, write 3 sentences using and, but, because. 2.2, describe things. Use adjectives and adverbs. Basic sentence, she has a dog. Better sentence, she has a cute brown dog. Basic sentence, he runs. Better sentence, he runs quickly. Practice tip, take 3 simple sentences and add adjectives for things and adverbs for actions. Step 3, writing short paragraphs without crying. 3.1, the easy formula for writing a paragraph. A paragraph needs 3 parts. 1, topic sentence, the main idea. 2, supporting sentences, explain the idea. 3, conclusion, wrap it up. Example, topic sentence, I love pizza. Supporting sentences, pizza has delicious cheese and crispy crust. It comes in many flavors, and I can eat it anytime. Conclusion, that's why pizza is my favorite food. Practice tip, write a short 5-sentence paragraph about your favorite food, your daily routine, your best friend. Step 4, common writing mistakes and how to avoid them. 4.1, the there. There equals a place. The book is over there. There equals belongs to them, e.g. that is their car. There equals short for they are. They're happy. 4.2, the your versus your confusion. Your equals possession, e.g. is this your phone? You equals short for you are. You're amazing. Practice tip, write 3 sentences using there, and your. Step 5, writing different types of texts. 5.1, writing a message or chat in English. Keep it short and simple. Use common phrases like, hey, how are you? What time will we meet? See you soon. Practice tip, write a text message to a friend in English. 5.2, writing an email without sounding like a robot. Start with dear name or hi name. Use simple, polite sentences. End with best regards or thanks. Example, subject meeting on Monday. Hi, John. I hope you're doing well. Can we meet on Monday at 10 a.m.? Let me know if that works for you. Thanks, Sarah. Practice tip, write a short email to your teacher or friend. Step 6, writing stories and journals for practice. 6.1, write a daily journal, even if it's short. Simple example, Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast and went to work. It was a busy day, but I learned a lot. Now I'm watching TV and relaxing. Practice tip. Write 3 to 4 sentences every day about your day. 6.2. Writing a short story for fun. Who is the main character? A boy? A cat? A superhero? What happens? Does he find treasure? Lose his homework? How does it end? Happy? Funny? Scary? Example. Tom found a magic book in his attic. When he opened it, the words started glowing. Suddenly, he was transported to a secret world of talking animals. Welcome, Tom, said a lion. The adventure had just begun. Practice tip. Write a 3-sentence mini story. And that is how you start writing in English. No more blank pages, no more grammar fears, just fun, easy writing practice. So what are you waiting for? Grab a pen, write something, and become the next great English writer. And remember, subscribe or I'll send you a 500-word essay on why cats are secretly in charge of the internet. You've been warned.